Where'd Maji go? I won! Yeah, Maji won. Actually, whoever's at the hill first wins.
We know Gabby's gonna try to get the hill first. I'm better than all of you guys.
Yeah, I'm beating all of you guys.
Wait, go back to the dumpster and
Don't
see.
come back here. We have recording.
Wait, don't record it. Don't record it. This is nasty.
We get out of here. She's doing her business.
Come on.
I'm delicious. That is round 4. No,
Right.
get this luscious thing out of here. I'm the luscious one.
You use the bathroom?